Hi guys, this is Miss Lasla. We were working on Unit 2, Lesson 4 today. This is writing word problems and writing equations. I'm going to go ahead and choose a select few to share with you. The first one we have is number 3. We did number 1 and 2 in class. So it says there are 8 goldfish in each tank. Notice I'm annotating as I'm reading the problem. At the pet store, if there are 56 goldfish in all, how many tanks are there? So I'm going to go ahead and draw a picture here. It says there's 8 in each tank. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 8 in one tank, and I'm going to draw 8 in another tank, and it says there's 56 goldfish in all. So I'm going to have to keep drawing this until I get up to 56. Okay, so far I have 16 here, 16 and 8 more is going to be 24, and I'm going to keep going, or I can go look at my multiplication chart too. If I look at my multiplication chart, I'm going to see that 8 times 7 is going to be 56. Okay, so there's 56 total, or I can write 56 divided by 8 is going to give me 7. Make sure I write down my label, which is tanks. There are 7 tanks in all. So this is equal groups. See how there's an equal number in each group? That's what I'm going to circle, equal groups. And this, we had to divide up the 56. Okay, we can do a multiplication equation to check that it's correct. But essentially we divided the numbers 56 and 8 right here in order to get 7. So that's going to be an equal groups division. Then we had to write an own problem that was the same as problem 3. So I might say there are 10 goldfish in each tank. Or I could even change the context of it and just say there are 10 stickers on each page. Okay, there are 5 stickers, there are 50 stickers in all. Okay. How many pages are there? You can change it around, or you can definitely model after this one. You can write about goldfish if it's easier for you. Another one that's a little tough for some of the kids is this one. It says he built a rectangular pen for his rabbits. So I'm going to go ahead and draw it. I'm going to draw out that rectangular pen. It says it is 4 feet wide and 6 feet long. And then it says, what is the area? So we know area is the inside of a shape. So that's what we're trying to find, the area in the inside. We know it's 4 feet wide. So I'll just put the 4 over here. And it's 6 feet long. I'll go ahead and write 6 feet here. I want to know how much all together. And I know that 4 times 6 is 24. And since we have 2 dimensions, we have a length and a width, we're going to go ahead and write 24 feet squared. We write squared because it has the 2 dimensions. Okay, so once again, it would be a 4 times 6 equals 24, and we'll have to write feet squared. This one was an area. As you see, I shaded in the area. So that's an area problem, and what we did just then is we multiplied. I'm going to go ahead and skip to some word problems here that might be a little tough for some of the kids. Some of these are multiplication, some may be division. They might even throw an addition or subtraction equation in here, so we have to read these carefully. Okay, such as this one. Amanda has 15 bracelets. She gave some to her friends. It says she gave a number. We're not sure of that number. She has 10 left. We want to know how many bracelets did she give to the friends. Well, if she had 15, that's going to be my total. She had a total of 15, and she gave some to her friends. We don't know how many, so let's just go ahead and use a variable. We'll say n. She gave some away, and now she has 10 left. Okay, and I know that 15, if I take 5 away from 15, I'm going to have 10 left. So n is going to be 5 bracelets. So in this case, it's a subtraction equation. That one was tricky. And then I'll go ahead and let's see, I'll do number 14. I'm not sure if I did that one today or not. It says a poster covers 12 square feet. Look, this is an area because it's the inside of it. It says square feet. Okay, that's a big indication of something. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and make a poster, and it says it's 12 square feet. So let me go ahead and write that in the inside. And it says it's 4 feet long. So I want to know how wide is it? What's this over here? Okay, so 4 times something is going to give me 12. Or, so I could do that. I could do 12 is going to equal 4 times something, 4 times n maybe. Okay, or I can go 12 divided by 4 equals n. Okay, and then I know that there's 3 4s in 12. 4, 8, 12. So it's going to be 3, and then we want to make sure we always have a label, and it's going to be feet. So it's going to be 3 feet wide. I'll pick 1 or 2 on the back side to go over. And I'll go ahead and do, let's see, we didn't do number 19, so let me go ahead and do that one. There are 16 pencils left in a container. 8 students, they're trying to trick you because there's a word there, but it should be a number, right? 8 students will divide, there's a key word, divide the pencils equally. How many pencils will each student get? Okay, so we have 18 pencils that we start with, and there's 8 students dividing them up. Okay, so based on that, we know this is going to be 16 divided by 8 students. And I know there's 2 8s in 16. Okay, so I'm going to write 2, and it's going to make sure we write a label, which is going to be pencils. Okay, and then I'll just choose number 21. It says Laura keeps her DVDs in a case that has 10 sleeves. Each sleeve can hold 6 DVDs. How many DVDs can the case hold all together? Okay, so we'll have 10 sleeves, so it looks like this is going to be equal groups. There's 5, and I'll go ahead and do another 5. Those are my 10 sleeves. Each one can hold 6. So this is going to be an equal groups multiplication because I want to know how much all together. So this is going to be 6 times 10, and we're going to go ahead and get 60. Make sure we put the label down too. It's going to be DVDs. Okay, so I hope that helped you guys.